Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. What is a cell? The tiny machines that keep you alive. Right now, inside your body, trillions of tiny machines are working non-stop. You can't see them, you can't feel them, but without them, you would not exist, not even for a second. These are cells, and today you're going to understand what they are, what they do, and why they are the reason you are alive. Let's begin. Imagine this. You zoom in, closer, closer, past your skin, past your organs, deeper, until you reach something unbelievably small, a single cell, a microscopic world full of structure, movement, and purpose. A cell is the smallest unit of life that can function on its own. It's not just a blob, it's a system, a machine, a city, all working together. Inside every cell, there are specialized parts, each with a job, each working in perfect coordination. First, the cell membrane. Think of it like a border. It controls what enters and what leaves, protecting the cell while keeping it connected to its environment inside. There is the cytoplasm, a fluid-like space where everything happens, where molecules move, where reactions occur. Then the nucleus, the control center, it holds your DNA, the instructions for everything your body does. Every movement, every thought, every breath, all encoded inside this tiny space. But cells don't just store information, they act constantly. There are ribosomes, tiny factories that build proteins, the building blocks of your body. There are mitochondria, the powerhouses. They produce energy, fueling everything the cell does. Without them, no movement, no thinking, no life. And here's the incredible part. Every second, millions of chemical reactions are happening inside your cells. Perfectly timed, perfectly balanced. Cells also communicate. They send signals, receive messages, coordinate actions like a massive network, working together. Because one cell alone is not enough. Your body is made of trillions of cells, different types, different roles. Some cells are muscle cells. They contract, allowing you to move. Some are nerve cells. They transmit signals, allowing you to think, feel, react. Some are blood cells carrying oxygen, keeping every part of you alive, each one specialized, precise, essential, and yet they all started from just one, a single cell at the very beginning that divided and divided and divided until you existed. And even now, cells continue to divide, repairing damage, replacing old cells, keeping you alive. But cells are not immortal. They have limits. They age, they stop dividing, and when something goes wrong, cells can malfunction. Sometimes they divide uncontrollably, leading to disease, which is why understanding cells is so important, because everything from health to illness, from growth to aging, begins at the cellular level. Now pause and think right now. As you listen, your cells are working silently, perfectly, keeping you alive. You don't tell your heart to beat. You don't tell your lungs to breathe. Your cells are doing it for you, moment by moment, second by second, a hidden world inside you. Now imagine it again, zooming in, seeing the movement, the energy, the life, and realizing you are not just one thing, you are trillions working together. Stay here, think about it, feel it. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.